Showing you this quick video we did of a leak detection. It's more about the process, more about being thorough, whether understanding if a system is above grade, below grade. We teach all of this in our training program. Again, it's not just about the equipment, the training program, it's about scenarios, it's about case studies. Here's a quick leak detection, check it out. So we're walking up on a leak detection that we're performing, and we're going to give an overall look at what we have going on with this pool. We have one skimmer, we got a couple of returns. We're walking around, we're looking for anything we could see, including structural cracks, which we found off the bat. We're going to look at our surroundings. We have multiple water features going on around this pool. To note, if we hear anything running, let's shut those features off just to confirm. Now we're going to go down and we're going to inspect the equipment area, which is below pool level, which will tell us that when we static test, we can look for what we need to look for. Now here is a backwash line, and when we see a backwash line going out, especially without an extra valve, we look to see where it's exiting to, and in this we actually had a drip that was running off, which we'll note in the report. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to pull scope, and we're going to actually listen to everything, all protrusions, fittings, side suctions, whatever it is. We came up on a structural crack right here, and we're going to let you hear what that leak actually sounds like. Now we're going to static test the lines. We have two returns. This one's plugged, and he's putting a pinhole in front of the other. We're going to test it to see if that line is actually leaking. Because everything's below grade, we'll be able to know. So here's a structural crack that we found, which was screaming. We actually heard it, and now what we're going to actually do is show you with the dye, because we always like to back ourselves up with dye. When we hear a leak, we like to see it as well. That's why we use cameras, but in this case, it's right in front of our faces. So now that we did everything we needed to do, we're going to write up our report and finish this one up. That's how we got this leak detection done. To see all of our equipment, go to Leaktronics.com and always check out our YouTube channel.